Radhe Krishna friends, today I'm here to show you another fantastic dish. This I learned from Raghavendra Swami Mutt in Tirumala, and it's a very easy dish but it's very wonderful. So without any further delay, let us see how to make this. I have about half a kilo of okra or lady's finger, which is diced into fine pieces like this. And to make this fry, I have taken about 6 spoons of peanuts. I have roasted them and I have taken the skin out. Then I have about 4 spoons of white sesame seeds. I have a bit of jaggery, and about in this spoon I have 5 heaps of a special sambar powder. If you don't have this, I'm going to post a recipe of this as well, but in the meantime you can just use 3 to 4 spoons of Badgi red chili powder that is not very spicy, and about 2 spoons of the sambar powder that you have at home. So you can just use that instead of this particular powder. So let us see how to make this. Again, speaking of the right kind of vessels, I always take a very thin and wide kind of vessel, because when you're frying okra, it releases some kind of stickiness, and if the vessel is wide, it helps in evaporating that very quickly and it fries very nicely. So friends, the powder is ready. As you can see, sesame and peanuts are nicely mixed now. I've just given a couple of pulses. As you can see, even with just a little bit of pulse, sesame is already sticking to the surface, but this kind of stickiness is okay. If you over blend it, it's going to become very greasy and oily, and that is not good. So I'm going to transfer this also here into the jar, and now this powder is ready for the fry. So hi friends, I have been roasting this, sauteing this for about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, it is all the stickiness is gone, and okra is nicely sauteed, and some crispiness you can also see, and you need that kind of crispiness for this particular fry. So don't think that it is burnt or anything. So it's okay if it is this way, and it's going to taste much better. Now I told you about 5 to 6 spoons of sambar powder that I am adding. I'm adding so much because this is a powder that's not very spicy. It's only made with Badgi red chilies. But if you have a spicy powder, you have to adjust it as per your palate. Now it's very important that you first transfer this sambar powder and or red chili powder, depending on what you have, and a bit of jaggery, so that the entire okra gets caramelized and spiced up. Before this, you should not transfer the peanuts and sesame powder before transferring the sambar powder. It's going to ruin the taste, because all of this is going to stick to the sesame and peanut powder instead of the okra. So, and another thing I want to highlight here is this bright green color that you are seeing. It's by virtue of adding that a bit of turmeric when you begin to fry. So please make sure that you are not missing out on this. I am now adding a pinch of salt. And you're just going to give it another mix, because as salt melts, it's going to release some moisture into the mix, and that is the kind of moisture you need before you transfer the peanut and sesame powder, which is going to make this whole thing very dry. So now I'm transferring all of that and giving it a nice mix. Another thing is, this is a kind of fry that is not going to yield very much. So when you are planning your prasadam for Krishna, make sure that you are not making this the primary dish, because it's not going to yield, and if you end up making a lot of it, you will end up fighting the greasiness, the stickiness, the gumminess of okra all day long. So you don't want to do that. This is an interesting side dish. It goes very well with chapati. And also just plain rice, hot plain rice, and you take a ladle of this and mix it and offer it to Krishna. So that also works very well. So now this dish is done. So let us offer this prasadam to Krishna with a tulasi dalam. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanam. Radhe Krishna.